So today I'm going to replace the filter on this refrigerator. I think it's a Whirlpool, but it pushes, it tells you like 11%. Or sometimes it's red here, and it tells you to get new filter. But you look on top, you can see this is the brand name and the model number. And the filter, you can buy the Home Depot or Lowe's, I think. But I got that on Amazon for about $50. So here's the location where the filters. You see this shown to you. Anyway, so you push it this. And what you're gonna do is grab it here and just twist it. Sometimes it's really hard. When you twist it, it should come down. See it? Let me do it again, show you. And when you put it in, it just turn it too. It's the same thing. It's gonna lock. I'm gonna put it in. Let me check it out. And you have some water coming out, but it shouldn't be a big deal. And you read here, tell you what to do too. So, see this nipple here? You want to line it up with this area. So you put it in. So you can put it in like this and turn it. And after that, you see it's locked right there. See it? And after that, just close it. Try to reset it. So maybe, like I said, maybe this one is just broken only. But that's how you replace a water filter.